You look at your Silverado and you feel proud. You wash it every weekend, you change the oil on time, and you think you are doing absolutely everything right to keep that legendary truck on the road. But I have bad news for you. Right now, sitting in your driveway, you are probably making three fatal mistakes that are slowly destroying your truck from the inside out. Mistakes that feel like responsible maintenance, but are actually death sentences for your engine, your transmission, and your wallet. Welcome back to the garage. Hey Clay, today I am taking the gloves off. I see Silverado owners come into my shop every single week, literally crying about massive repair bills. And almost every single time, it is because they fell for the three biggest lies in the truck community. Listen to me carefully, because mistake number one is the most common, and it will cost you thousands of dollars. Mistake number one, the transmission flush trap. You look at your odometer and see you just crossed 150,000 miles. You decide it's time to be a good owner. So you take your truck to a quick lube shop and ask for a complete high-pressure transmission fluid flush. Stop right there. Do not ever let them hook your truck up to a flush machine. Inside your 4L6OE transmission, there are clutch packs holding everything together. Over the years and miles, the friction material from those clutches wears off and mixes with the transmission fluid. It sounds crazy to hear a mechanic say this, but that gritty, dirty fluid is actually providing the friction your old transmission needs to properly shift gears. When a shop hooks up a high-pressure flush machine, they blast all that beneficial grit out and replace it with slippery, brand new fluid. But worse than that, the pressure dislodges metal shavings and sludge that were safely hiding in the corners of the pan and shoves them directly into the tiny passages of your valve body. What happens next? You drive away feeling good, and 2 days later, your transmission starts slipping in second gear. You just paid a shop to destroy your transmission. If you want to maintain an older truck, do a simple drain and fill. Drop the pan, change the filter, clean the magnet, and put fresh fluid in. Never, ever flush an old transmission. Which brings us to mistake number two, the horsepower illusion. You want your 5.3-liter engine to sound meaner, and you want more power to pull your trailer. So you go online and spend $300 on a shiny aftermarket cold air intake. You rip out the factory black plastic air box and bolt on a cheap open cone filter. You just made your truck slower. General Motors spent millions of dollars engineering that ugly factory air box to pull dense cold air directly from the fender well away from the engine. When you put an exposed cone filter under the hood, you are sucking in the boiling hot air, radiating straight off your engine block and exhaust manifolds. Hot air is less dense. Less dense air means less horsepower. Your engine computer will detect this, pull timing to prevent detonation, and your truck will actually lose low-end torque. But it gets worse. Most of those aftermarket filters use heavy red oil to trap dirt. That oil gets sucked into your intake and coats your mass airflow sensor, causing your engine to run lean and eventually throw a check engine light. It might sound louder when you step on the gas, but you are actively suffocating and blinding your engine. Put the factory box back on and drop a high-flow dry panel filter inside it. That is the real mechanic secret. And now, the silent killer. Mistake number 3, the rust trap. You wash the paint, you wax the hood, you polish the wheels, but you are ignoring the most vulnerable part of your GMT 800 Silverado. The rocker panels and the cab corners. These trucks are notorious for rotting out from the bottom up. But it doesn't happen just because you live in a snowy climate or drive on salted roads. It happens because of the drain holes. Along the bottom of your doors and your rocker panels, there are tiny weep holes designed by the factory to let water escape. Over time, dirt, leaves, road grime, and mud plug those holes completely solid. Every time it rains or every time you wash your truck, water gets trapped inside the enclosed metal panels. It sits there in the dark, mixed with road salt, quietly rusting the heavy steel from the inside out. By the time you see the paint bubbling on the outside of your cab corner, it is already too late. The structural metal is completely gone. Once a year, before winter hits, you need to get under your truck with a thick piece of wire or a small screwdriver and poke every single one of those drain holes clear. It takes 5 minutes. It costs absolutely nothing, and it will literally save your truck from ending up in the junkyard. Stop making these 3 mistakes, and your Silverado will outlast you. Now, speaking of saving your truck, we just talked about the fatal transmission flush trap. But if your 4L6OE is already acting strange, hesitating, or shifting hard, you might already be in serious trouble. Click the video on your screen right now. I reveal the specific step-by-step mechanic secrets you must take to stop your transmission from slipping before it completely explodes on the highway. Don't wait until it leaves you stranded. I'll see you in the garage over there.